Hello. So today I'm talking about how to unshrink hair naturally after shampooing part 2. There is part 1. Make sure you watch it so you know where I'm coming from and where I'm going. So my name is Meta Fox. Welcome to my wellness channel, Take Back Your Health. Today I'm talking about hair health. So I've been keeping my natural hair since 2012. So today I am unshrinking. So right now I'm putting one of my favorite oils, argan oil. If you want to know more about this oil, comments, more info, and then I will send you the link where you can check out the hair oil. All right. So this is me early in the morning having fun. So I've just undone the rubber bands. I'm doing different hairstyles. So today I'm just going to show you 2 of them. Okay. So I don't use any straighteners. I don't use any harsh chemicals to straighten my hair. It's all about the rubber bands. One day I will share my story about why I decided to have natural hair back in 2012. Yay! Okay. Do you keep natural hair? If you don't mind, post a picture in the comments. And also, make sure to put your YouTube link so that we can check out your natural hair tips. All right. So in this channel, I love talking about gut health. So I talk more about alkaline food I cook. And also be sure to check out my book, From Pain to Victory. It's my story and the alkaline recipes that helped me to heal my gut. Back to the hair. So, yep. Doesn't take me a lot of time to do this. Like, if I'm going for events, I just unbundle the rubber bands and so today I'm just showing you 2 of the styles I do. I will come back on another video and show you different natural hairstyles you can do by yourself at home and still look amazing. So this is one of my favorites. I noticed it shapes my face good when I do this hairstyle. So yay! I love this oil. So I normally use another nourishing oil, but today I'm using argan oil. I love using the brush because I find it doesn't alter my hair texture. Unlike in Afro comb sometimes yeah, I prefer the brush, but look there at the top. Yes, that's the Afro comb, the brush. So that's me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.